In the name of God, the most merciful and the most compassionate. Hi everyone, how are you doing? The Son and I bid you a warm welcome filled with hopes and dreams. Magical strategies to achieving any goal. Discover the secret to making a fortune. If you believe in it, then you will be able to do it. Be serious, be willing to do the hard work, and be persistent with whatever it takes to make the business successful. A goal is a dream with a deadline. Achieving any goal in life isn't just about setting clearly defined goals and wanting them badly enough. You also have to deploy the right strategies for actually achieving them. To be a winner, you must plan to win. Why are goals important? Goals help you determine what you want in life. Goals give our lives meaning. Hope motivates you and can keep you on the right path. What does it mean to set a smart goal? Specific, your goal should be clear and well defined. Measurable, you can measure the progress. Achievable, your goal should be obtainable. Realistic, your goal should be relevant. Time bound, your goal should have a defined timeline and due date. If you set fuzzy goals, you will be setting yourself up for failure. Without God, I am nothing. What should your vision statement contain? My vision statement should contain my interests and passions. It should contain what I enjoy doing in my free time. It should include what I am good at. It should contain my values such as love, creativity, justice. It should contain what the world needs. It should respond to these questions. What do I want to do? Why? How will I do that? It's important to get the word of God in your heart. How to identify your goal? If I know who I am, what drives me, and what the world needs. Stop loving yourself as though you are that new person. Every day remind yourself of what makes you a great person. How can you move your goal from abstract into reality? I can do it when I get specific about my goal. To do that, it must be written down. It must move from my mind to a piece of paper or a screen. What do I want to achieve? What does my life look like when I reach that goal? Who are my friends? What habits do I have? Cut out toxic relationships. How can you turn your goal into a creative vision? I create a vision board. Higher positivity leads to higher confidence and self respect. How to make your goal come true? 1. I get in the right frame of mind. 2. I stay positive. 3. I don't dwell on the negative parts of life. 4. I don't blame myself for things that are outside my control. 5. I believe in myself. If you are in the right frame of mind, you are in a good place mentally to do anything or achieve anything. How to make your goals come true? 6. I overcome any setbacks. 7. I stop procrastinating. 8. I make a list of everything I will need. 9. I post it in my room. 10. I repeat what I wrote out loud. 11. I create a vision board. Focus your thoughts on your goal to make it happen. How do you create a vision board? One, I get a large piece of food or a poster board. Two, I get a few magazines or print out a few images from the internet that relate to my goal. Three, I cut them out and glue them together on my poster to create a vision board. We can't predict life, but things will happen, so be mentally prepared. Keep an open mind and don't let anything knock you down. Why do you create a vision board? To conceptualize my goal, to stay focused. It can also serve as a therapeutic activity. Eliminate the non-essentials and get rid of any trivia. What should you do to visualize your goal coming true? I don't let my anxiety or fear get the best of me. Success is like running a marathon. It takes time, persistence, and mental training. What is the best way to meditate? I sit up straight on the ground in the lotus position. I turn the lights down. I shut out any distractions. I close my eyes. I focus on counting my individual breaths. Once I am relaxed, I start thinking about my goal. The lotus position. Brilliant things happen in calm minds. How do you keep your to-do list? How to work on it? I keep it in a visible place in my room and work from top to bottom. I cross off each item as I complete it. A quiet mind is a happy mind. What are the steps in making an action plan? Define the problem, collect and analyze the data, clarify and prioritize the problems, write a goal statement for each solution, implement solutions. Win or lose, just stay calm. Why should you eliminate bad habits and bad people? Bad habits and bad people can hold us back from achieving our goals. They stifle our progress and get in the way of our hopes and dreams. If you wanted to get everything in life, just help. Why self-discipline? Self-discipline allows us to put our goal achievement on cruise control. Many people are alive but don't touch the miracle of being alive. How to discover the secret to making a fortune? We make a fortune with focus. Pick one thing you are already better at than most people. Just one thing. Become maniacally focused at doing that one thing. Work, train, learn, practice, evaluate, refine. Be ruthlessly self-critical, not in a sarcastic way, but to ensure you continue to work, to improve every aspect of that one thing. A person without a plan is like a ship without a track. Setting goals keeps you moving. Why should you mitigate your distractions? Distractions interrupt our progress. Enthusiasm is everything. If you need more, make more. How to manage your time? Make room for important tasks. Follow a schedule. Eliminate distractions. Learn to say no. Miracles are waiting for you. All you have to do is go and meet them. Your power is in your thoughts, so stay awake. Choose your thoughts carefully. The ideal of success is simplicity and tranquility. A gentle word, a kind look, and a good-natured smile can work wonders. I have surrendered to the Lord of the worlds. Break a leg, سيد أبو المجد.